Hi guys, I'm Vanessa and welcome to my client's townhouse in Guttenburg, New Jersey on the beautiful Hudson River. Now, despite it being a townhouse, it's actually not that big. But there was still plenty of opportunity to make a big design impact. And I can't wait to show you what I did. My client is a bachelor and his hobby is DJing. So I wanted to bring that exciting vibe where anything can happen as soon as you step inside. Because its entry is narrow, I installed these modular smoked and copper honeycomb mirrors to add depth. The color is also dramatic, just like my client. For lighting, I used this industrial chic pendant that gives off an amber glow. And finally for this entrance, we installed this steel laser cut quote from one of my favorite authors. I just love the way the sun illuminates the words, especially mystery and beauty, which are two qualities I just love in design. Shall we continue? As you walk into this bright and airy main space, you'll notice we changed up the flooring to this wood plank style porcelain tile. Say that 3 times fast. Check out this shiplap I installed on top of the fireplace. You usually see this installation in beach houses, but I love it because it's an affordable way to create a statement wall and focal point. To break up the horizontal lines, I installed this butterfly sculpture that I designed. I just love the way the butterflies fly off from the circle right into the Hudson. I painted the walls flanking the shiplap in black. There's a misconception that black makes a room feel claustrophobic, but in a bright room like this, I actually think it expands things. For the dining area, I use a round table because in an open floor plan, it feels much more welcoming and inclusive. All the furniture here is in lighter neutral tones, except for the black accent pieces like the chair, the light here, and the coffee table in the living room. The key word in this living room / lounge area is comfort. It's a place where my client likes to kick back, unwind, and take in these beautiful river and skyline views. It's also a place where his friends hang out while he DJs on his turntables across the way. But just because it's a hangout area doesn't mean it can't be chic. This original Deguchi coffee table is one of those statement pieces that can make a space and impress your design-forward friends. But the views are so much better upstairs. Follow me. As you ascend to the second floor, check out these little metal climbers, inspiring you on your way up. The second floor has a main bedroom and a den, where my client likes to chill at the end of the night. It's a great place to watch the news or a game, or even have a drink from the wet bar. I hung this large mirror against the same shiplap that I used from downstairs. And for a touch of glam, I added this little crystal pendant light. In smaller spaces, you don't want a door swinging into it. That takes up space. Barn doors are a great way to get around that. They visually echo the shiplap, but vertically. And now the bedroom. This bedroom had to be serene, but it also had to be stylish. I wanted the accent wall behind the bed to have architectural detail. So I added these beams to actually frame the bed and the nightstands. I also used the iconic LeClent pendant light. But let's face it, this room is all about the balcony and the views. And to help my client enjoy those views in a new and exciting way, we installed a swing. Now this is fun. I really hope you enjoyed taking a look at this modern take on a classic bachelor pad. And learn that even in smaller spaces, you can design big. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?